I'm finally home.
Welcome back, Emma. How was school?
It was good. We had a science quiz today.
Great. Go put your school bag in your room.
My bag isn't here.
What do you mean?
I had it when I left school, but now it's gone.
Are you sure? Check the car and the front yard.
I already looked. It's nowhere.
That's strange.
I heard Emma lost her bag.
Yes, and all my homework is inside it.
Let's think carefully. Where did you last see it?
At the school gate.
Did you stop anywhere on the way home?
I talked to my friend Mia for a few minutes.
Did you put the bag down?
I think I did.
Maybe someone picked it up?
I hope so.
We'll check tomorrow morning.
I can't stop thinking about my missing bag.
It's understandable. You had important things in it.
There's something I didn't tell you yesterday.
What is it?
When I left school, I felt like someone was watching me.
Watching you? From where?
Near the fence by the school gate.
Did you actually see someone?
Not clearly. I only noticed a shadow.
Maybe it was another student waiting for a ride.
Maybe, but it felt strange.
What happened next?
I looked back, and the shadow quickly moved away.
That does sound unusual.
Then I started walking home.
Were you carrying your bag at that time?
Yes, I'm sure I was.
Did anyone speak to you?
No, but I heard footsteps behind me.
How close were they?
Not very close, but close enough for me to notice.
Did you turn around?
Yes, but nobody was there.
That's odd.
I thought maybe I was imagining things.
Sometimes our minds play tricks on us when we're tired.
Maybe, but I still remember that feeling.
Did you stop anywhere before coming home?
I stopped near the park bench to tie my shoelace.
Did you put your bag down there?
I think I might have.
That could be important.
I can't sleep.
Is it because of the missing bag?
Yes, what if someone took it on purpose?
Let's not jump to conclusions.
What if my homework is gone forever?
Tomorrow, we'll talk to the school office.
I hope someone finds it.
Try to get some rest.
I'll try.
Everything will make more sense in the morning.
Mom, Dad, come quickly.
What's wrong?
My school bag is on the porch.
What? Let me see.
It's really mine. I can't believe it.
That's impossible. We looked everywhere yesterday. Are you sure it's yours?
Yes, that's my name tag on the side.
Wait a minute. There's something attached to it.
What is it?
It's a note.
A note? Let me read it.
It says some things are safer when they return home.
That's creepy.
Who left this here?
Was anyone outside when you found it?
No, I opened the door and just saw the bag.
Maybe someone found it and returned it.
Then why didn't they knock on the door?
Good question.
And why leave such a strange message?
Let's not panic. There may be a simple explanation.
It doesn't feel simple.
Is the bag closed the same way you left it?
I think so.
Open it carefully.
Okay, my notebooks are here.
What about your homework?
It's here too.
Is anything missing?
Let me check.
Take your time.
My pencil case is here.
What about your library book?
That's here too.
So nothing was taken.
It doesn't look like it.
That's good news.
But now I'm even more confused.
Why?
Whoever had the bag could have kept it.
Yet, they brought it back.
Exactly.
Look at the note again.
The handwriting looks neat.
Do you recognize it?
No, I've never seen writing like this before.
Maybe it was an older student. Or maybe someone from the neighborhood. We shouldn't jump to conclusions.
I just want to know who returned it.
We'll try to find out. Do you think the person was watching our house?
I don't know.
That's what makes this so strange.
Let's focus on the facts.
The note doesn't have a name on it.
Maybe someone found your bag and returned it.
But why leave such a mysterious message?
That's what worries me.
Was anything missing from the bag?
Everything is here. Even my homework. I asked Mia about the bag today.
Did she know anything?
She said she saw an older student pick it up.
Did she recognize the student?
No, but she remembered a blue jacket.
That's our first clue.
The student apparently looked through the bag.
Then maybe that person returned it later.
But why stay anonymous?
That's the mystery.
I found out who returned the bag.
Really? Who was it?
A student named Daniel.
What happened?
He picked up my bag because he thought someone might steal it.
Then why the mysterious note?
He said he was too shy to knock on the door.
And the note?
He likes writing mystery stories and thought it would be fun.
That explains everything.
I was scared at first, but now I'm just relieved to have my bag back.
If you have enjoyed the conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful videos.